Yeah, hey guys, Paul Wilson here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, I've had an email from one of my subscribers that asks me, do Forex signals work? Now, that is a very, very broad kind of question, if you like, because, basically, if you don't know what a Forex signal is, it's basically a trade signal that gets sent through to you from a particular organization. It might be, while you're learning Forex, you might just want to get some signals through so that you can start trading while you learn, so to speak. Okay. Now, asking whether Forex signals work it's a very broad question, because obviously you can get signals from literally anywhere. There's a whole bunch of places you can get signals from online. And it really depends for the quality of those traders. Obviously, it's a trader that's sending those signals through to you. Now, if you're relying on some kind of bot to send signals through to you, I would probably say that Forex signals do not work if you're getting them from a bot. I mean, my experience with bots and things that do it in an automated way is they work for a little while and then they something goes wrong with them and they end up, causing you issues, okay? If I was using Forex signals, I do use Forex signals that come through as trade ideas through a company that I'm actually involved with online. But never take a Forex signal that you know nothing about, you haven't done a little bit of your own analysis on, that you just don't have 100% trust, and you need some kind of control over that signal. You don't just want somebody doing auto trading from a bot on your behalf. You want something where you're getting the signals through, you can look at them, you can do your own analysis on them, you can double check their analysis before you actually put them on as a live trade. Because if you just start taking signals and putting them out there, you will run into trouble. So basically, to answer the initial question, do Forex signals actually work? Yes, they do. But in my opinion, you need to make sure that you trust that trader, trust where they're coming from, do a little bit of your own analysis so that, as I say, you're even more sure that you're happy with that trade and that it's going to go in the right direction for you. At the end of the day, you've got to take responsibility for your trades. If you don't take your own responsibility and put the responsibility in the hands of somebody else, inevitably at some point you are going to run into problems. Now, as I say, as a company I'm involved with that send out trade ideas, you get them through as an app on your smartphone. If you're interested in looking at that to maybe get signals through to your phone or trade ideas through to your phone, have a look in the link in the description below this video. I've also got my Forex PDF as a free PDF. You can go and check out that also, which is going to give you a whole bunch of strategies, a whole bunch of resources that you can basically take and go and check out for yourself that will hopefully help you in your trading journey. So that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button right now so that you get notified when I upload new content, and I look forward to talking with you again real soon. Take care.